In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification in WIX. Securing your WIX account is really important, especially if you manage client sites, online stores, or any sensitive information. Two-step verification, sometimes called two-factor authentication, adds an extra lock on your account. Instead of just using a password, you'll also confirm it's really you with a second step, like a code sent to your phone or an authentication app. Let's walk through exactly how to turn this on. First, make sure you're logged into your WIX account in your browser. From the main WIX dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a small profile picture. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Account Settings and click it. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your account details, such as your email, security settings, and more. Give the page a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. Once you're on the account settings page, you'll need to find the section for security. In this area, look for something labeled two-step verification or two-step verification. This is where WIX keeps all the options related to that extra security layer. Go ahead and click into the two-step verification section. Here, you'll see an option to enable two-step verification. There should be a clear button or link that says Enable. Click on Enable to start the setup process. From this point, WIX will guide you through the remaining steps on the screen. Typically, you will be asked to choose how you want to receive your verification codes. Follow the prompts carefully, read any notes on the screen, and make sure you enter accurate information, like your phone number or the details for your Authenticator app. It's also a good idea to save any backup codes WIX provides in a secure place in case you ever lose access to your device. Once you've completed the on-screen instructions, your two-step verification will be active. The next time you log in, you'll enter your password as usual, and then confirm your identity with that second step. It adds a few extra seconds, but it greatly improves the security of your WIX account. That's all you need to enable two-step verification in WIX and keep your site safer.